fine, I'm a chase fine. What do I do whenever I die? Oh, red flag sound nice. Down in a legend, I'm fine, I'm a chase fine. Flag sound nice, flag sound nice.
Hey loves, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing an initial review on a wig from Amazon, and this is going to be a series I'm starting where I compare an Amazon wig and then I look for the same wig and compare it to a different hair company. So this first wig I'm just showing you right now, it came in the box and it's a netted cap, and then you get your wig. And then just showing you on the bottom, it just tells you how many inches the wig is, and it's 20 inches. And this is a 13 by 6 lace frontal wig. It's pre-plucked, it's Brazilian. It's 20 inches and it's 150% density lace front wig. So I'm just showing you the pattern. If the wig looks a little crazy, it's okay because I took it out and my mama tried it on earlier. But I'm just showing you the curl pattern. And now I'm showing you the front where they did a little plucking in front. And I'm showing you the inside of the cap, the construction. So you have the 13 by 6 lace. And then I'm just showing you the tab in the back. They have one comb in the back, one on the front, and one on both sides. And I do end up cutting the combs out, and one's on the front and both sides. Oh, and then now I'm showing you that they do have the adjustable straps in the back. So now I'm going to bleach, and I'm using the Ion line, their bleach, and then I'm using their 40% liquid developer. Okay, so I'm using a mixing bowl and a brush, which I got from Amazon. I'll link down below. And then I just sprayed the lace with Got To Be for protection. So I showed you how much of the powder I put in, and then I'm showing you how much liquid I started off with, because you don't want it to be too liquidy. You don't want it to soak through the cap and actually bleach your hair. So I'm just mixing, and this is the consistency that I have so far. So I'm just adding a little bit more because it was a little too stiff. Okay, so this is what I ended up with. So I'm just lightly and carefully smoothing the bleach over the lace so I can bleach the knots. I sped it up, but it took me like 20 minutes just to do this part because I didn't want anything to leak through the lace. But it's pretty repetitive, self-explanatory, so I will just let you watch, and I'll come back once it's done.
Baby, baby, I know. Baby, I love you so.
Alright, so this is how your cap should look. And I use the Joico, I think that's how you pronounce it, purple shampoo to wash the cap. And then I use the Garnier shampoo and conditioner Sleek and Shine to actually wash the wig. And then I just showed you how much shedding I got while washing. And now I'm just showing you what the lace looks like now that I bleached it. And I did that for like 15-20 minutes. So I'm about to start plucking, so I'm showing you what it looks like before I'm starting to pluck. If you don't want to pluck, you don't really have to, honestly. And they did come with baby hairs, so now I'm just showing you the baby hairs that came on the wig. So this is very beginner friendly. Excuse me, can't talk today. So honestly, you don't need to pluck if you don't want to, and the bleaching is optional too. So now I'm showing you the ends of the hair, and I'm combing through it. I'm using a blow dryer attachment. Don't judge me. I couldn't find the comb I was looking for, so I'm just basically going through detangling the wig. The curls are really nice. They're popping. So I'm just brushing through it right now. It really didn't need detangling because it didn't tangle up, but I was just brushing it through.
But you don't feel like I do. Tell me what can I do?
JC beats to your thing, right?
But I gotta be strong, girl. You did me wrong.
Okay, now I'm using Creme of Nature, the mango leave-in conditioner, and I'm gonna put that all throughout the hair.
I thought we were now. Now you say you want me, girl. Make up your mind. I'm not gonna be here for long.
Now I'm using the OGX Tea Treatment Scalp Treatment, and then I'm also using the Smooth and Shine Repairing Polisher by the same company that makes the Got2b, and I'm using the Main Choice Foaming Lotion. Now I did go overboard with the foaming lotion. You don't have to do this, but when I read reviews, they said to be generous with the product so that it doesn't poof out and change the curl pattern too much as it dries. So I'm now just combing all the products I use through. Now I want to start plucking. So what I'm doing is I'm making a part, parting the section, and then I'm going to start plucking behind it. I mean, it's a curly wig, so it doesn't have to be overly plucked, and it already came plucked anyway. So I'm just plucking a little bit to my liking. And I'm going to do this like 3 more times, I believe, on this side. And then after, I'm going to show you the other side compared to this side. Okay, so this is the side I did pluck. And then this is the unplucked side. So it's not a huge difference, but you can tell. So now this is the whole wig completely plucked. Off camera, I did just do a little bit more plucking because I plucked more on one side than the other. This is the amount of hair that I plucked during the whole process. Now I am putting the lace on my head and I'm cutting it and I'm adjusting as I go. I didn't do a great job cutting the lace. I probably should have cut it before I put it on, but I just wanted to see how it looked. I might go back and fix it later. I might not. I don't know. So I'm using the Esha lace glue. I wanted to try it. I'm using the Absolute one. And I only did 1 layer. So now I'm just doing the front portion of my head, like from temple to temple. I'm doing it in sections. And I'm just putting it in place. And I'm just pushing it down. Now this glue does dry extremely fast. It smells just like Elmer's glue, but that's okay. So far I liked it. I just took my wig off for like from 2 days, and it wasn't hard. Honestly, it just slipped off. But now I'm just going in and I'm doing my sides now. And now I'm just trimming some of the lace where I see fit. This is sped up, but I am taking my time. It's taking me like 20 minutes. And now I'm just going and adding in glue in places where it needs some more, where it's not completely laying down. Now I didn't use a stocking cap, and I didn't put foundation on the lace, which next time I might, because the lace is not my skin color, so you can tell, but not that much. But next time I probably will put some of my foundation on it just to help it blend in a little more. But this glue was easy to work with, and I think it dries in like 30 seconds. So now I'm just going in with alcohol, and I'm just cleaning up the extra glue. And now I'm trying to find where I want my part, which I want a side part. Oh, and this is the next day, so the hair has gotten big, but we're gonna fix that. So I'm taking a hot comb that I got from Walmart, and this is the Andis hot comb. Now this hot comb gets hot really fast, and I had it on 20 to start with. My hair was smoking, so I had to turn it down. I didn't want to burn my hair. So I'm just doing that to the front around my parting space to help it lay down. And honestly, the wig was flat already. Um, so now I'm going in with water and just leaving conditioner, and I'm spraying it on the hair so we can tame it. I'm doing it on both sides. And so I'm going in with the Sleek and Shine conditioner, and I'm running that through. Okay, and now I'm doing baby hairs. Not really baby hairs, but I'm just trying to cover up a little bit of the lace that's not completely blending in. So I didn't do too much. I didn't go overboard. I'm using my Eben edge control, the green one. That's the only one that seems to work for me. But you can use whatever you like. And I'm just going in and just creating some little swoops just to help blend in that lace in the front. I tried to do the sideburn, but I didn't like how it looked, so we'll revisit that again. I was looking for my face powder, but I didn't see it, so I just ended up using the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder in 30 and just putting that in my part. If you want to plug the part to make it a little wider, you can, which I may do next time. I don't know, we'll see. But I think just putting the powder on help. I'm just going back in with the hot comb. So this is basically the end results. So I'm going to be wearing this unit for like 2 weeks. Okay, so after 2 weeks, I will come back with my final review, and then I'll be trying another unit, a deep wave unit. I'm going to be trying them from Yo Wigs, YOO Wigs. And I'll do the same thing, show you guys what I did to it, and then I'm going to give my initial thoughts on it, and then I'll come back in 2 weeks. So this is going to be a new little series that I'm starting on my channel. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you did enjoy it. And if you have anything else you would like to see or any other hair companies you'd like for me to try, go ahead and comment down below. And make sure that you like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell button to make sure you get my future uploads. And I'll see you in my next one's, love.